Hello, what is up everybody? RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video. And in today's video, we will be checking out the Hot Wheels 1947 Chevy Fleetline. This is number 2 out of 10, and this is from the Hot Wheels First Response. This is number 8 out of 250 from every car in 2024. And before I open this up, you can I don't know if you can see it or not, but actually at the bottom of the card there's supposed to be a treasure hunt logo. I don't know if you can see it or not from here, but there is a regular treasure hunt logo right there at the card in gray. And just if you're wondering, this is actually a regular treasure hunt. So let's go ahead and open this up. So if you've seen the title of the video or the card just now, it says 1947 Chevy Fleetline. So yeah, you already know that this is a classic old car, and well, just like every other car, it kind of reminds me of a Doc Hudson styled front for some reason. But yeah, this is more to a classic police sheriff's car. And by the way, like I said just now, it is a regular treasure hunt. If you can notice the regular treasure hunt logo before I take a closer look with this car, you can leave a comment down below right now if you want, if you already know where is the regular treasure hunt logo. And if you do notice it, let me down in the comment section down below. But let me reveal and show you in a closer look right here at the car itself. So if you can already guess where the logo is, there it is right there on the side door right there. And let's start off from the back. So yeah, you can't really see the wheel at the back, as you can tell, because it's like half covered or like a 3/4 covered, I would say, because yeah, it's like it covers the wheels obviously. And yeah, the wheels are covered, as you can tell, but they are donut white rims right there. And wheels, by the way, donut wheels, which is cool. Nothing much on the back here, anything. At the door side, you do have some design right here. So like most part of the door and the side right here is in white, as it replicates more to a sheriff's vehicle, obviously. Hot Wheels logo right there beneath the rear side window right here. Door handle right there, number 68. I assume that's for Hot Wheels 1968. And yeah, the sheriff logo, or like how I would say it is actually the treasure hunt logo right there. I don't know if you can see it or not right there, but it is very nice. And it's more to like this yellowish gold orange, I don't know, sort of color right there for the badge, which is cool. And nothing much else on the side. Let's move on to the front. So yeah, you know what, they're lazy at work when it comes to headlights. So no headlight details, no grille details, obviously. You have this massive front bumper in silver chrome, as well as a grille connected with the front bumper as well. And I love the classic look to it. I mean, it looks great and all. And yeah, the front obviously looks pretty cool. You have this sort of like triangle shaped hood right here, which I don't know how would you say it. I assume it's something said like that. It's shaped like a triangle, as you can tell. And you have a police text right here, just if you're wondering. It says police on both sides. And I believe this is supposed to be the part where it has the logo of the car. I'm not sure. But yeah, overall not too bad. You have, I believe, blue tinted windshield. I don't know if you can clearly see it or not, but it's sort of like tinted in blue, some sort. You have like something gray here as well. So the roof is slightly extended to the front, as you can tell. And basically it like covers up apart from the front of the car, which is nice. Number 68 on the roof. And by the way, of course, this is a black car and it collects a lot of fingerprints. Just if you're wondering, ignore the fingerprints on the roof, by the way. And judging by the back of the window right here, yes, it is actually blue tinted. And pretty interestingly enough, more to a classic look with the blue tint. I would suggest go for a regular tint, but since it's a blue tint, I guess it's fine. Oh yeah, by the way, gray interior. I don't know if you can really see it or not, but yeah, gray interior, very nice. Here is the side, pretty simple as well, like just now. And let's move on to the back. You have this massive rear bumper here in chrome plastic, chrome silver, by the way. At the back right here, plastic as well. Nothing on the rear lights, nothing here or anything, no police text or anything. Sadly, quite simple enough, I would say. And let's move on to the base. Plastic base, by the way, 1947 Chevy Fleetline. 2021 Mattel and made in Malaysia. Hot Wheels right there. And I must say, is this the first time we've gone this car? I don't remember, but this might be the first time this car has been converted into a regular treasure hunt, of course, but I'm not sure what's the previous design for this car. I can't really recall, but what I know is this car looks amazing in like this police livery, and regular treasure hunt is not too bad, I would say. It's quite nice if you ask me personally. Regular treasure hunt in this black sheriff police livery, it's wonderful. I quite like it. It's a neat little detail. I mean, it's quite a good car, and if you're more to the classic vintage vehicle collector or diecast collector, then I would suggest you going for this car. It's very, very nice, quite subtle, I would say. Great details, and obviously it's a regular treasure hunt. It might be quite hard to get, but if you manage to get it, I would say you go get it, and I don't know, maybe keep it for your collection, or maybe keep it carded or unbox it. Basically, it's very nice, not gonna lie, the car is very good. But yeah, there you go, that's my review of the 1947 Chevy Fleetline. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below with what do you think about this car, and will you get this car or not. And see you soon, bye bye.